Welcome to AirPro Fan and Blower Company, where we manufacture delightfully reliable fans and blowers for our extensive customer base around the world. All manufacturing takes place right here in the USA at our production facilities in northern Wisconsin. In this video, we'll take you on a virtual tour of our east, west, and north plants, showcasing the production process from start to finish. Application engineering and order processing. Your order begins here in our application engineering department. Our experienced engineers work with you to determine the best fan for your application. Once the requirements are met and the order is placed, our project management and design teams step in. This team completes detailed drawings and 3D models and orders all necessary parts. We then create shop work orders with detailed prints and instructions for fabrication. East Plant, material receiving and sorting. At the East facility, raw materials are received and organized on pallets per job. Structural steel is cut from flat bar, angle iron, and channel, while steel shapes are laser cut from sheet and plate material. We also stock various components, such as bearings, spinnings, and other longer lead time items. West Plant, initial fabrication. Our West Plant is all about rotating components. This is where fan shafts and wheel hubs are machined, fan wheels are fabricated, and dynamically balanced. We perform a two-plane balance to at least ISO G6.3. As the most critical part of the fan, all fabricators are certified to AWS D14.6, and each wheel is inspected and goes through multiple quality control checks. This plant also has a positive pressure room to prevent contamination when welding sensitive materials, such as titanium, and some materials used for food-grade applications. North Plant, fabrication, finishing, assembly, and testing. The rest of our production happens at the North Plant. In this facility, we weld the remaining fan components, housing, pedestals, and unitary bases. After welding, these components are assembled to ensure accurate fit-up before moving to the finishing area, where surfaces are cleaned or blasted before getting painted with enamel, epoxy, or polyurethane. Remaining fan components are welded and assembled for accurate fit-up before moving to the finishing area, where surfaces are cleaned and painted with the appropriate coating. After painting, everything moves into the assembly area where welded components are bolted together and the motors and drive components are installed. The fans are then run at full speed and tested to ensure everything works properly and vibration levels are acceptable. Once the testing is complete, the fans move into the final assembly area. OSHA safety guards are installed, labels are applied, and final QC inspections are performed. Everything is then palletized, prepared for shipping, and then loaded onto trucks for final shipment. Customers depend on our fans to keep their equipment and operations running smoothly, and we take that responsibility seriously. Our shop is ISO 9001:2015 certified, and everything we build is backed by a 3-year warranty. We invite you to visit our facilities in person and witness firsthand our commitment to quality and reliability.